Hello and welcome to finding an unknown side length. In this video we'll be using degrees for the angle. So let's say we have a right angled triangle here, poorly drawn again, and we have this angle is 33 degrees. We're given the hypotenuse as 9. There's no units on it. We're just working with numbers at this point, and we need to find the side length here. So we have the hypotenuse here as 9, and then we need to find side length A, and that is the length adjacent to the angle. So we know the hypotenuse, and we need to find the adjacent. So this is the one that we'll use here. We'll use the cosine trig ratio here. So what do we have? We have the hypotenuse is equal to 9. We have the adjacent is equal to A, and we have theta is equal to 33 degrees. So we need to find A. So what we would do is we would have cosine 33 degrees is equal to A over 9. So that's the formula here. Cosine 33 degrees is equal to the adjacent side length over the hypotenuse. So A over 9. So what we need to do is get A by itself. So this would then become A is equal to 9, because we'll multiply both sides by 9. So we clear that fraction and the 9 ends up over here. But I'm just going to put A on the left-hand side, so there's a little bit neater. So that would be 9 cosine 33 degrees. You'd put this into the calculator. You'd have to make sure that the calculator is set to degrees and not radians. We'll be looking at radians in another video. But if you put it in and it's degrees, you'll come out with 9.548 and some. And you would typically just put this to two significant figures. The reason being is that we're given 33 degrees here. That's two significant figures, so we'll work with two significant figures. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's say we have our right angled triangle here. It's a little bit better. I realised I didn't draw my little right angle there. Good practice. Let's say we're given these side lengths. We need to find B. We're given that as 6, and we're given this as 27 degrees. So we have the opposite side length is equal to 6. I don't know what I'm doing there. The adjacent side length is given as B, and theta, the angle, is given as 27 degrees. So which one uses opposite and adjacent? It's the tan theta here. So what we would have is tan 27 degrees is equal to 6 over B. So in this case, we need to get B by itself. So that would be B is equal to 6 over tan 27 degrees. And if you put that into the calculator again, make sure it's on the degree setting, you're given 11.775 and some. So just round that up to 12 for two significant figures there. Okay, so that's working with an angle in degrees and one side length to try and identify another side length. Two examples here that ended up, we worked with cosine and tangent ratios. In the next video, we will be doing the same thing, but with radians, because it's good practice, and it makes you flick between radians and degrees on your calculator as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you on the next video, and yeah, take care.